Okay, this is a bike check on my 2003 Spanish Fly Eduardo Torrero's signature frame. The frame is old, but it is extremely lightweight, full chromoly, including rear stays, top tube, head tube, everything. It has no original parts on it. It was a complete frame-up build. All of the brake cable mounts have been shaved. Gyro mounts, the brake cable mounts, the brake caliper mounts were actually on the chainstay instead of the brake stay, so that made running brakes pretty much impossible with a 25/9 setup. The logos are custom, designed them myself, original artwork by Dark Natasha. She is amazing. Sub Rosa bars, I don't remember the model because the stickers on them were white and they came off as soon as I got them. 8.25 rise, 28-inch span. With ODI grips. I keep the flanges on because I like flanges personally. ODI bar ends, plastic bar ends. I prefer the plastic because they're easy to remove or replace. The headset was a DK headset. The stem is a DK stem. It's very narrow and extremely durable, considering that I do a lot of street, a lot of grinding, and I'm a bigger guy. I come down on it hard. I've never had any trouble with it. As you can see, the headset was non-integrated, which didn't turn out to be much of an issue because K&G had this DK headset for me. The forks are DK Alpha forks, chromoly, extremely lightweight. They've been really good. Front wheel was a Shadow Raptor complete. The hub guard is an S&M hub guard I picked up in Australia from Backbone BMX. Really cool guys. Shadow Little One pegs. Cranks are Fly Dolmans. The major drawback of this bike, in my opinion, is the Euro bottom bracket here. But again, I haven't had any trouble with it, and I ride really hard. I've been riding that bottom bracket for about a year and a half now. Shadow Ravager, alloy pedals, unsealed. Also from Backbone BMX. Shadow BTR rear hub with their hub guard. Left-hand drive. Green Shadow Interlock chain. Daily grind sprocket with integrated bash guard. CNC'd aluminum alloy. The overall weight of the bike is just over 24 pounds. Shadow Conspiracy saddle. Nitrous seat post. Wouldn't really recommend it. It's giving me some trouble. But it only goes down into the seat tube about an inch from what you see there. It's very short. A really green We the People seat post clamp. It was cheap. I recently had the frame and forks repainted. The decals, all the decals on the bike, I had printed up at just one of those quick sign places. Relatively cheap. They turned out pretty good in my opinion. And that's my favorite BMX bike.